festival which we had earlier months announced is going to be held on the 20th, 21st and 22nd of this month. That is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We are holding it at the Opinion Pole Square. It is being organized by the Botanical Society of Goa with a festival partner as V for Fatarda. We have some other people who are also supporting us, like the Department of Agriculture and other government departments. Basic thing is local biodiversity preservation being the focus. आमची फळां जी आहा कोकणांतली फळां खूब वर्सां आमी आयकत आहात की कोकण म्हणटा तें कॅलिफोर्निया करूंक जाय म्हणून आं दिस हॅज ऑलवेज बीन दीस न्ही आमी एग्रीकल्चर शिकतना सांगताले कोकण म्हणटा तें भारताचें कॅलिफोर्निया करचें म्हणून सो हें आयकत आहा आमी Now Konkan being a place and Goa being very much part of the Konkan region, our local fruit need to be, farmers selling the local fruit need to get all the push, and that is why we are getting a little glamour to this festival, which otherwise also was organized very well. आणि गोंयची फळां ताजे पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजीन जे कितें प्रोडक्ट्स आहा जेम्स आणि काजू आहल्यार उर्राक सगळें हें आमी एंड टू गेट अ लिटल फन टू इट आनी आतां एग्जामी बी सोंपल्या सो आमी अशें चिंतलां की जे भशेन कार्निवलाक आमी केल्लें तशें म्हणल्यार वी पूट अ प्रॉपर एंटरटेनमेंट कितें म्हणटा
लायन अप एंटरटेनमेंट
ना कितें म्हणटा वॉट यू आर इव्हेंट मॅनेजर कळ्ळें तुका न्ही इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट फर्म सारकें घालून सगळीं गोंयची बँडां टॉप गोंयची बँडां आमी चारूय दीस तिनूय दीस घाल्लीं आहा एंड ऑल गोवन बँड्स एंड टॉप बँड्स एंड वी हॅव लायक द कार्निवल वी ऑल्सो गॉट द 5 stars अगेन टू कम हियर सो वी वॉन्ट टू गेट अ क्वालिटी एंटरटेनमेंट वी वॉन्ट टू सी दॅट our local biodiversity gets all the push and all the encouragement that it deserves. I mean, Indian-made foreign liquor, other than Paul John, which is produced in Goa. Paul John is now featured in the Scotch Whisky Bible as one of the best whiskies. So, तांकां हांवें आपयल्ले आहा. Mostly because I think Goa needs to be.
People come from other states also. We have the University of Horticulture Sciences, Bagalkot also coming for the 3rd year this time. We have the Konkan Krishi Vidyapith from Dapoli, Ratnagiri district also participating. We have of course the ICR and the Agriculture Department, and we have a lot of other.